Hey, Haxer Tech here for another video, and today we're going to be looking at the CMF earbuds, which are made by the same parent company as the Nothing earbuds. So we're going to be looking at just a review here of those earbuds, how they compare to the competition, and going to do some tests here. So let's go ahead and take a look. Here you can see I've got the earbuds in the package. Now there are a few different color variants. There's gray, there's a white color. The version I have here is orange. So we're just going to look at the packaging experience here. I really do like the way that these earbuds are packaged. I think it's really clean. And also a really unique design. Just the overall shape was interesting. So here you can see inside, once you remove the actual buds here, you've got a little piece here that has the actual cable and adapter in there. So here's what everything looks like once it's taken out of the box. You've got the earbuds, which look great in the case. The cable itself, you've got a few different ear tips available. And then, of course, it's got a little diagram, a little chart inside the actual box. So I was really pleasantly surprised with the experience here of unboxing these. And here you can just see a close-up of the earbuds. Really nice premium tips. So just really wanted to, again, go over kind of the unboxing experience here, but then we're going to also look at an audio sample that I recorded so you can see what the audio sounds like. Here we're just taking a quick look at around the side of the case. The only thing I'll call out in terms of quality, some people did comment that the mechanism for the hinge here is a little bit weak. I won't comment on that. For me, I can definitely feel it's maybe not the strongest, but I think as you can see here, it's just a really beautiful design. I like the circular design of the case. The magnets that you use to put these back in are really good. They're really sturdy and firm. So it doesn't feel like the magnets are weak where they're going to get shaken out of the case. Very premium design, and the actual in-ear feel is really good as well. So here you can see I'm just taking a quick test of them. This is what I recorded when I was first trying these on here. Here are the earbuds. And I found that compared to some of the other earbuds that I've used, again, these are actually very, very comfortable. They seal very well in my ears, which I was very happy about. Some of the other earbuds that I've used, I have a Sony WF-500 series of earbuds that I use, which are okay, but they do not fit as well in my ears as these do. These definitely block out all the sound. And there was also a Lenovo pair that I had previously reviewed that also fit very well, but these are the best as far as actually keeping the sounds out, the audio out. And then plus, of course, they have active noise cancellation. The active noise cancellation in these is really good, and it has a number of different settings. I'm going to go through the settings here. So here you can see that once you launch the app by Nothing, you can go ahead and start it. And once you start through the process here, it'll just take you through a few different steps. It's going to prompt you to go ahead and turn on Bluetooth, but once you go through that process, it's really easy, number one, for it to find the buds. You can see here, it just very quickly found the earbuds. And then once you set it up, it's going to give you a ton of different controls, which I found to be really nice and really easy to set up. Again, this is a pretty similar experience to some of the other earbuds that I've tried, but I did like the really clean and easy design here. Most important here, once we get to the equalizer, I'll talk about that. Noise cancellation is also very good. You have a transparency mode, which allows you to hear all the audio around you, and 3 different levels of noise cancellation. Noise cancellation is actually very, very good. I turn it up to high anytime I'm listening to something, and it completely drowns out the audio. Here we have the controls for both the left and right ear tips or earbuds, and you can see here that you can fine tune the controls for each. So if you want to customize the controls for each of your unique earbuds, you can do that. There's some other settings here in the primary settings there. And then with the equalizer, you can see that there are a few different modes. I really appreciated the simplicity here, but there's not too many different modes. There's balanced, more bass, more treble, and voice mode, or you can do a custom mode where you can just fine tune those controls. So really simple in terms of how you can customize it. I really like the simplicity of that. And I tend to use just the more bass setting because it really does have very good bass. I was really impressed with the bass here. In-ear detection, that's something you can also toggle on or off. And then there's a low lag mode, which is really great if you're using these for gaming. So you can toggle that as well. And here you can just see the connection portion here. You can see that there's a toggle there just to directly connect to the earbuds. This was just the initial setup process. Here we have the controls again for just the left earbud, and you can see again that I can toggle some different settings here. I can choose exactly what I want each of those functions to do with a triple tap, double tap, or whatever I'd like to do. So just wanted to go through the actual software controls because those are also an important part of the experience. Okay, this is a test at normal audio level, just to test the sound quality of these earbuds. This is a sound quality test. Here's what you can expect from the microphone on these earbuds. Okay, so that was an audio test for these earbuds, just to show you what the audio actually sounds like in these earbuds. But again, just wanted to give you a quick sample of what it sounds like and wanted to show you what the actual software controls, how they function. Okay, so just wanted to show a couple more angles and views of the actual earbuds. A couple more additional comments here. So there are, again, various different color options. I do have to say, though, the orange color I think looks fantastic, and especially because it's a very unique color that I don't find with a lot of other earbuds. So this particular color I just really like because you're not going to find someone confuse them with AirPods. But here you can see again the outside of the case. I think the whole package is stunning. It looks really nice and very, very high quality. So here you can see the back, you can see the charging port. And next I wanted to go through just some of the specs and details from the website and compare it to my experience here. So as we go through the website and we go through some of the specs, you can see here it talks about some different things here. Again, the bass is very good. The 45 decibel active noise cancellation, which I tested. Noise cancellation is fantastic on these at highest noise cancellation. You can see it's also talking about being able to reduce wind noise, which I also was able to confirm with a fan in my office. Transparency mode also works very well. I'm able to have conversations with others while using the earbuds. We talked about the calling quality as well. I was able to do an audio quality test to show that that's fantastic. And again, going back to the bass here, the bass is very good, which I'm very picky about. And they do use some special drivers in here, which enhances the quality of the bass, which I definitely believe because the bass quality, again, was just very impressive to me for the cost of these earbuds being much lower than what I would usually expect. Some other different details of the technology that's used in these earbuds to give the level of sound quality, talks about the chamber and the design of the chamber, as well as, again, more on the ultra bass technology, which is definitely evident. Talking about the battery life here is also very good. I tested the battery life. All of these are definitely up to par with what I expected based off what the manufacturer lists here. And I definitely found that the charging case was consistently able to keep the earbuds charged well. I didn't have any issues there. They're dust and water resistant. I did not test that, but I didn't have any issues when it did rain. Touch controls are all very good, and the app controls were very easy to set up. So definitely found the touch controls to be good. Here, just going back over a view of the app. And again, built to last, I wanted to talk about this because there were comments on the durability, which I do think that this kind of answers, that the durability has been tested, and based off those tests, they should definitely stand the test of time. Here, I'm just going through the specifications and looking at a few more details through noise cancellation, call quality, battery life. They put a lot of information in here, so if you're looking to find out more information on these earbuds, definitely check out the website, and you can go through in more detail all of these specs, but just wanted to pop through the specs here and show you what's listed on the website. So again, overall, great details, and based off my testing, these were all up to par. Okay, so before we move on, I did just want to make a quick shout out to HeyUp Now, who allowed me to try out this product. If you've never heard of them, HeyUp is a platform that allows YouTube reviewers and other platform reviewers to test out technology, whether it be earbuds, phones, audio equipment, all kinds of different things. You can see here is a ton of different phones and charging equipment that you can try. Check it out. The link is in my description. Just as a quick summary here, I really am pleasantly surprised by these earbuds. A couple of the standout things for me. Again, I was really impressed with the noise cancellation. The noise cancellation is actually really good. And also, bass is something that I have a huge problem with a lot of earbuds, because if they do not fit your ear well, you can try different tips. I always do that, but sometimes you just cannot get a good seal. And if you can't get a good seal, oftentimes you do not get very good bass. Both the seal is good in these earbuds, at least for me, and the actual quality of the bass is very good as well. I can really hear the bass very clearly. The only time I saw any distortion is if you turn these up to the highest volume. You can definitely hear a slight amount of tinniness on really loud, whether it's a movie or a song. But overall, even when I've maxed out the volume in most situations, they actually sound very good. So for me, the experience with these earbuds has been fantastic. I really do like them. They are actually my new earbuds that I'm using as my main earbuds now. So really would like to hear what you guys think in the comments below. Very pleasantly surprised with these, but if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Otherwise, guys, that's it for this quick video, this quick review. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.